doing the under eye part, which is the worst part.
It feels
ever.
like someone's stabbing me in the
She didn't even touch you yet.
Would you like to keep it for a while? I have a sealer.
No.
Don't mind me. Just working. Wow, no problem. What the fuck is going on? Rebel, get down. Thanks, dude.
On the recap, I got eye liner on me. I've been rubbing it for like hours. I took 2 showers. Josh came up with the idea that alcohol is what I need, I think, to get it off. And there's 100% corn whiskey. So I'm gonna use that.
Hey, go, 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 go.
That was good. Good boy.
How could rubbing whiskey in your eyes go wrong?
It's strong. Okay. Really strong. Well, I mean, despite the fact that this burns really badly, it is effective. And I think I'm getting drunk. A new way of drinking through your eyes. You go to a bar and you're just like, oh, it burns so good.